Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. It is equipped right now with two touch sensors, active sonar, no camera because I still have to get new information and software from the developer to integrate the camera with the newest firmware. Also an LED to signal that something like a turn is going to happen, and a propeller that shows whether the algorithm has finished. As you can see, if you have watched the previous video, there's a change. And the change is right here. It's a new attempt to get this wheel, the backside wheel, turning as nicely as possible. It took a while to come up with this construction, but I hope it will make it run better. And while there is still flexibility, it should work. So let's test if it indeed does work. And to that end, I will power up while everything is in the correct position. It should. This should be plus. Yes, alright. Then power up. On the computer everything is set ready to log in, but that can only happen when it's put completely into the community firmware. So wait and see. Right now, now let's see whatever happens. I have to log in now. That goes fine. And for security reason, first opening source code and then run. Last time it was prone to some early ending and some strange alright. And this is not exactly what I envisioned. Oops. Well, one thing is clear. It can steer very easily. Very easily. And that is alright, but it should have gone straight to the objects. So whatever this is not what I intended. Yeah. Let's go to see the screen results for whatever has gone wrong, because something did go wrong. Alright, so this was quite a surprise. Whatever has happened didn't go as planned, so let's go to the whole of the... oh, I can't even get further back then. Okay, voltage is good. Nothing to complain about that one. But -1, not good. Although, that is to say, it can be, because that only means, no, that cannot be. Counter 03, counter, yeah, right. This cannot be. This should not be. So how can you start with 2 and end with 1? That is not possible. Should not be possible. Of course, no counter or no contact. Sonar 42 at start. Also very strange. Sonar 40. Sonar 40. But why is it turning? Yeah, I should make a log file much better. But in the meantime, not getting really clear why it turns around. Alright, let's go right till the end. Okay, I should go further. That is to say, it only should turn around at contact. But it clearly does not. So let me find turn. No. Yeah, right. Yeah, right here. Motor set speed 125 and 1 -25. And here it goes the other way. Oh, yeah, draai naar rechts. That is the thing that I was looking for. But that is only with contact. It clearly didn't make contact, so why does it turn? That does not make sense. Alright. So what is next? Well, new experiment, of course. Time for another attempt. So let's simply hit it, and hopefully this goes a little bit better. Alright, so that is a very clear no. Yeah, now it comes back into view, and I'm going to alright, now a second attempt. I'm going back to the other interface, this one, and see whatever happens then. Set it a little bit right. Alright, let's go. See if this makes a difference after all. No, it doesn't. Okay, never mind. Never mind. The problem is that looking back at the coda, this is if nothing happens, if it is if there's contact, or no, more appropriate, there's no contact. If contact is 0, just go on. And more important, both set 512. And it does start in a straight line. Then if and only if contact is 0, do something with turn. If and only if contact 2 is 1, so this is contact 1 is 1, it is contact 2 is 1, contact 1 and 2, well, neither of that has happened yet. Then we go for the sonar. What happens with the sonar? A lower speed, yes, and a stop, yes, but no turns. And another problem is, how can I distinguish what happens exactly? And there comes a problem as well. Yeah, although I can measure distance, I can do that. But there is a get current distance and a get current counter value. And there was a problem with both. Usually with this hardware, counter value goes will increase, current distance will decrease, and that didn't happen at all. So what I could do is get the current counter value and say, alright, let's go to the end, by the way. It's 1029, that's good. So here we are at the sonar distance. If this, if that, here nothing happens, it's ruled out. The question is, what to do where exactly? Well, the what is synchronize the motors. However, I already do that. Or am I? Am I doing that? Wait a second. Am I really wait, how do I do the motors? Sync 2. And then set speed. So with sync 2 you make sure that the motors run equally, but set speed doesn't do that. This is set distance. So let me look for other set list. Yeah, here also sync to. Next. Next. And that one is right here in the at the bottom. Next. Is also sync to. Next. Sync. Oh wait. Look here. I don't sync it here. That is a difference. Yes. Oh, I have to improve this. That is a good idea. Excellent idea. However, this is when both contacts are 1, which is not the case. But it's a good idea to put it in anyway. So, next. Yes, here it is sync to, sync to. Next is sync to and sync to. Very good. Also sync to. Also. Okay, the rest seems to be all sync 2s, which is good. And these have been commented out. Will this work? Will this improve? I have no idea. But let's put it back into business and see whatever can be done. Another strange thing is that it only goes wrong clockwise. I haven't seen it drive counterclockwise. But anyway, let's see. A network error. This should not happen at all. It happened before with the former firmware, but this should not happen. Wait a minute. This is bad news. Yeah, it senses all kind of things. Okay, look here. Oh wait, the hind wheel didn't work. So if I put it straight, and there it goes again. Okay, this is not good at all. Okay, never mind. No, I should. Yeah, and it runs right where it really should not go, but it would have bumped into a computer anyway. Oh, I can do that. And for side info, that this computer is an old RS 6000 RISC. But let me just see whatever happens now. That will be interesting. Network error. Oh no, that is not good. Something is definitely not right. I think I will go back to, yeah, there it collides and it stops. Alright, so let's view whatever has happened here now. This is the new start. It measures 2 centimeters and rest distance is 200. Oh, that's interesting. What are the other distances in the previous run? Yeah, I really should make a log file. Takes quite a bit of action to do, but it will be worthwhile. And it is constantly turning to right. And where does this happen? In the source. Only here. Contact 1. That could indicate that one of the sensors is not correct. So right here. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Let me try RoboPro for a moment. Can I make contact? Because that was also a problem last time. I have to wait till it starts. Oh, there has been a wine update. I'm fine. There it goes. So I am starting it on other IP address. Open. Lo and behold, it works again. Wow, that is very nice. So there was a wine problem, I assume. But what I need to test now, and let me do it like this. This is what I want. I'm hardly seeing it myself, so touching, yes, yes, oh definitely. Alright, very good. Very good indeed. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. Excellent. RoboPro is back in use. That means that I can now test it again and see if it doesn't do it again, because this, if this is caused by a faulty sensor, ouch, but it shouldn't. So let's go. that looks good. No, 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 no. I don't see draai naar rechts. So whatever is happening, what do I see here? Nothing. Which is logical because there is nothing. This is really extremely weird. I can't explain it. It's not the sensors. Oh, let me check for the sonar, although that proved to be like 74 and yeah, that seems to be working. Yeah, nice. Okay, power. Yeah. Yep. Okay. 8,6 and here is 8,9, but I don't mind. So that seems to be working. But why then these odd results out of? Okay, let me go back. Yeah, I've gone back to the community interface. Wheel straight. Back at the community interface. Let's go. Whatever happens, happens. No. No chance. Both drive forward, but it's in a curve. One drives faster than the other. Okay. And it's not even consistent, as you can see, because it drives slowly and then fast and then a sharp turn, a shallow turn. Inconsistent at all. Totally inconsistent. Not funny. So I have no clue what's going on. Interface is normal, although I did not see a lamp, but the lamp is only with when the contacts are being touched, and robo process alright. I can test the LED, which is coming from motor 3, so let's test that one. Error. No, not an error. You got to be kidding me. What is the... Oh, wait. Is that true? No, 8.7, so that's impossible. This is alright. Come on. It can't connect anymore. I can't test the lamp. Oh, this is weird. Anyway, I assume that everything still works. Yeah. And I have to wrap up. Weird. Right, with more questions ending than I had. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And please show your support by making a small donation via PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information on my website and every thing is under this video. URL of my website, names for my Twitter and Instagram, and how to donate. Thanks for watching. This is to be continued, and